Tech here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing top tech deals under $50 for June, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications to never miss an upload. 40 more till 500, the halfway mark to 1K. So if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Now let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first item on our list is a blue AVS audio video capture card. It's HDMI to USB, a 1080p USB record via DSLR camcorder action cam. That might sound a little funky and complicated, but I'm going to explain to you what this thing does. So basically what it does is you can plug your, professional YouTube camera like the YouTubers have. Basically plug that professional camera in, you plug this thing into your camera, and then you plug the other side in to your computer, and then you can record with your professional camera at 1080p crisp quality, better than any webcam you can ever buy and ever. So make sure to go pick this up. You can record with your professional webcam. You have a better webcam than any of the people out there in the world. So make sure to go pick this up for a low price of $44. Links in the description below. Now let's go look at the next item on our list. Alright guys, so the next item on our list is a newer Z Flex tilt ball head with quick shoot, all QR plate bracket, 4-camera, aluminum alloy with bubble level for Canon, Nikon, Sony camcorder tripod guide slide. That's a little confusing. I'm going to explain to you what this is. You put your professional camera on it, and then you can get these really good angles. You can extend it to be up higher, to take a higher angle, or you can put it on something, like let's say you're gonna do an unboxing and you want to show your hands like opening and everything. You can put it on something, and then you can attach your professional camera to it and bend it down to get those nice angles. So make sure to go pick this up, only at a low price of $40, in the links in the description below. Now let's go look at the next item on our list. Alright guys, so the next item on our list is a Native Union night cable, USB-C to USB-A, 10-foot ultra-strong charging cable with weighted knot for Samsung, Galaxy, Z Flip, and Google phones. So basically what this is an ultra-strong, featuring an ultra-strong reinforced structure from unparalleled strength and durability with high-speed charging up to 2.4 amperemeters. It also is extra long.
That's what she said.
10-foot range lets you use and charge your device in comfort, while the weighted knot anchors your cable to any flat surface would detach from your device. So it's 10 foot long, so you can charge. Let's say that you're not near the closest charging port. You can go to it and then walk away pretty far to go where you want to sit and charge your device. So this is only for USB-C charging, so only for like newer laptops and certain kind of Galaxy and Pixel phones. It doesn't work out with an iPhone. That's a little disclaimer right there. So now let's go look at the next item. Oh, before, the price is $35, super cheap. Links in the description below. Now let's go look at the next item on our list. Alright guys, so the next item on our list is the Tecware Phantom L low-profile mechanical keyboard RGB LED outmute red switch. So basically what this is a real actually mechanical keyboard. It's not like that mechanical feel and all that crap. It's actual mechanical with red switches, only for $50. This is the cheapest real mechanical keyboard in the entire world right now. Go pick this up because there's like one left in stock right now, and make sure to go get it. It comes with replaceable switches. You can remove the switches for quick and easy maintenance to reduce downtime. Tools and spare switches are included. It comes with spare switches and tools to do it. It also has dedicated software. You can record and assign macros, customize individual key LEDs, and create custom LED profiles within the dedicated, easy to use software. I think this is very, very useful, so make sure to go pick this up. Links in the description below, all for a low price of $50. So now let's go get into the final item on our list. Alright guys, so the final item on our list is the Logitech G203 Light Sync, not Prodigy, Light Sync, wired gaming mouse. So you guys are like, this looks the exact same as the Prodigy made 2 or 3 years ago. It's actually not. The Prodigy only flashes one color at a time, but this can flash all rainbow colors at once. It is new because you can primary buttons are mechanical and tensioned with durable metal springs for reliability. And you can also play in color with our most vibrant light sync RGB featuring color wave effects, customizable across 16.8 million colors. Install Logitech G Hub software to choose from preset colors and animations or make your own. Game-driven audio visualization and screen mapping options are also available. So let's say you shoot something in Fortnite, whatever game you play, it will like flash a color if you set it up and everything. And so or whatever game you can play, what happens in your game, you can set it up so it'll make like a certain color when you're doing that, or whenever a game's about to get like the game's about to end, everything gets like turned to red and everything. So make sure to go pick this up. Links in the description below. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below you subscribed and you'll get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shout outs for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them, and if you subscribe to me, one of these shout outs could be you guys. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.